Hello viewers, Republic Day sale is going to start on 13th of January 2025 on Amazon and Flipkart.com. Many users actually want to know about MI Pad 7. MI Pad 7 has been launched on Amazon.in at a price point of 27,000 rupees for the 8GB and 128GB version and 30,000 rupees for 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. So does it make any sense to buy this tablet at 27,000 rupees? In this price bracket you can also buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus and also you can buy iPad 10th generation. Actually, if you buy MI Pad 7, in that case you have to buy two separate things. If you want to buy the MI Pad 7 Focus Pen, in that case you have to pay around 6,000 rupees. And if you want to buy cover, in that case the smart cover will be priced at 1.5k. And if you want to buy a keypad cover, in that case you have to spend around 9,000 rupees. So with cover and pen, the actual cost of this tablet will be around 27,000 plus 6,000 plus 9,000, that equals to 42,000 rupees for the 128GB version. I don't think this is a very good price for this tablet. By spending 42,000 rupees you are getting only 128GB version. Also, people don't actually buy MI tablet by spending 40,000 rupees. If you buy under 25 or 20,000 rupees, that makes sense. But if you are spending above 40,000 rupees, I should prefer Apple iPad, or I would go for Samsung Galaxy tablets. The only extra thing that you are getting with this MI Pad 7 is the features of AI, which you will not get in iPad 10th generation or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus. MI Pad 7 comes with some good features, like it comes with 3.2K display and the aspect ratio is 3:2, and it comes with Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 platform, and it has quad speakers with Dolby Atmos surround sound, and the battery capacity is 8850 mAh. It actually runs on HyperOS 2.0, so you will get all the necessary features, and also multitasking will be very good. So the question arises, should you buy this MI Pad 7? The answer is yes and no. If you buy only the tablet, in that case you can buy this tablet, but if you want the keyboard and also the focus pen, in that case you have to pay around 42,000 rupees. That is not a value for money product for this price. Now you have to select your priorities and make the decision whether you want to buy this tablet or you should go for iPad 10th generation or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus or Oneplus Pad or Pad 2. Hope this video has become informative to you. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy MI Pad 7 or not. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.